I just want to thank you specifically for making time because busy mfethu, but Ibola will
Mm,
always have time. But if this
yeah,
meeting ends before siqede, because kusamele sikhulume, sizoqala another meeting, siqhubeke lapho esigcine khona.
okay.
But before siqale,
Mm,
I would like to actually welcome the viewer. uh, these people support this platform, so I thank them a lot. But from you, I need you to do something for me, for Thina ukuthi sazi ukuthi sikhuluma nomuntu right. I need you to do the heavy
sure.
Busut.
All right. Okay. Hey,
Busut.
Busut. Hey, hey,
Busut.
Busut. Babengaphi?
Babe
Babengapha.
ngale
Singapha.
singale sahlangana kuphi?
Babengapha. Thina singapha. Bafa umuntu.
Sibonge bafu.
Ufile umuntu.
Sibonge, hey, hey, hey,
Ufile
hey, baphela abantu ngapha,
umuntu.
baphela
Ufile
abantu.
sasadekisa. Amthinte esweni. Amthinte esweni. Esweni sadekisa. Hebe. Usuthu.
Usuthu. Bafo, asibonge. Bafo, asingene
I
phezu
know.
kwayo, asingene phezu kwayo. Manje into esihlanganisayo
Mm.
namhlanje, sihlangana ngosuthu odlala 10 games kwi-league. Yes, sizongena lapho kulamanye ama-cup lana like i-MTN 8, i-Carling Cup. But lapho esikhona khona
Mm.
kahle kahle sikwi-league. Nidlale 10 games, nawina 5 games, um, na-drawa 3 games and lost 2. Ositshele nje ukuthi uzizwa njani ngendlela abafana benze ngayo, looking from maybe last season ukuthi manje ama-player amaningi manje like u-Exten, you'll see ukuthi uscore 4 goals and
Mm.
he has 2 assists, and bathi una 6 goals nje in one season. The best is done is 6 goals, so now already
Yeah.
he's on 4. And yeah, just how the team is playing, I just want to hear your thoughts.
First and foremost nje mfethu, njengoba usuyiqale ngasekuqaleni, I think there's a very important stat engisanda kuyibona nje ade postwe by someone egroupini, one of my screenshots from Opta Jab, which spoke about the 18 points which we've achieved so far kulo first 10 games. Cabanga ukuthi u-Opta Jab wekhuluma ukuthi this is the best start since 1998 under uClive Parker, and we all know those were the glory days, yabo. I think that season is probably the last season of the best Usud. And then after that, those were the worst years, the dry years up until this point. Um, so it's umnandi so far. It's been a great season. It's been a great season so far. Ngeke ngize ngiqamba amanga. Indlela eqale ngakhona bekade sisaba, seeing so many players being let go. Obviously, most of us we wanted ushintsho. We understood. We saw. I mean, ama-trends we-Betway Premiership nje. Mawubheka i-top six, most yawo was littered with young players. So it was the writing was on the wall for sonke sabalandeli ukuthi no, this is the direction. In fact, the club now itself had been preaching the same philosophy ukuthi no, the club has has a goal ka 2032 of winning the league, and we want to go about it by having 80% of homegrown players, players from the province, and those players must be young players too. So into nje leyo president has been saying for the past 5 years ekhona kwi-club. So mase sibona sebehamba, but I mean reality, I mean mase usubona sekwenzeka ngempela, you start thinking, oh, are these guys sure what they are doing? I mean, we have a coach who doesn't really have that much of a track record with PSL. We know him, we respect him, we football fraternity, but when it comes to the experience with PSL, he doesn't have much track record. So Naloko was also it came into question. A lot of people actually from the start, the fake, there were people who were like, "Aibo, Buffett, Pella, this is not a Mickey Mouse club." Funny enough, people may troll us, they may say things on Twitter and none. But when you speak to an Amazulu fan, he tells you straight, we may not be Kaizer Chiefs, but we are Kaizer Chiefs. In a lot of ways, ourselves. They pride ourselves. So to get a coach on Atazwan, we understand the philosophy was actually what I think your name the club in, and a lot of people amens ukuthi bamamukele, but there was always that lingering question, did we get a coach osifanele in for a club of this stature? Will he be able to take us back to where we belong? Because it's not like we want this club to go where it's never been before. So there's a lot of people who know where the club was before. So it was those things. So when the season started, people, experienced players started going, okay, fine. Some of them we understood really they needed to go, but then there were players like Cabo Ethan Brooks, there were players like Cabo
Human. Junior
Yabo
Dion.
Junior Dion. I mean, it was a bit ngoba vele he had lost his place during the season. We had seen it, but still we had seen his flashes with unjani Marumo during his loan spell. So there was those questions with okay, where are the goals gonna come from? Because so when the season started, I mean we started well with game Orbit. We won away, sorry, not away, at home like Makok. So I think that set us well for the first, the season, because our next game was going to be Sundowns, So going to Sundowns, we needed to get a result. We opted. For me, it was always a tricky encounter because I mean, Opit, you don't know what they bringing. I mean, we saw what they did. We NFD. Nobody thought they could be in the PSL this season, but they were. So they were always going to be what a banana peel situation for us, Yabo. So to get that 1-0, I mean, it wasn't a flashy. It was an own goal.
It was an own goal.
Yeah, it was a great. It was an own goal, but also what was good was it was a clean sheet. It was at home. Sakwazi ukubekezela, and they came at us hard. Second half, I was there. They came at us. Ubathi came in the second half, and that guy, he came at us. But I mean, for me, that was the first sign of what we dealing with a different club now, because I mean, with the way they came at us, if it was us the past 2 seasons, we would have considered. We would have considered very well on there. And we've had those moments in the season where we like, I remember I came here Chiefs, I walked away. I was halfway the stairs. It's like, and I heard that, oh no, and then I came back. I mean, there's those moments, they come. Somebody said to me, namhlanje saying, like we've had lucky moments. And the past 3 seasons, 4 seasons, we've been the most unluckiest teams. I mean, you probably remember what happened at FNB last season. We practically gave away 3 points. And we took a point away. So you can see the difference between those fortunes alone, that tells you good. I mean, people say fortune favors the brave
Yeah.
because that's the type of team we have njengamanje. So, and the feeling, Petu, it's a really, really good feeling, but we still have that anxious anxiety because we still know what we're not where we want to be.
Mm.
Also, it's early, yabo.
Ambitions, ambitions,
Kusa-early.
ambitions,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
ambitions. Okay,
yeah,
Manje,
yeah.
you spoke of losing players like or human that looked like they were very important for the club. And we spoke before the show that you didn't necessarily think Ubrooks was that player for you guys, so you didn't have a problem losing him, same as De Jong and other players. Maybe Human was that player that you felt, ish, maybe you were losing something. But now I think it's the good moment to talk about the new players coming in to replace the players that were let go. What do they bring that is so new to the club?
I think in Okokuqala, it's I mean, because they are younger, they bring with youth exuberance. You can see, you can see the way they interact with our fans. I mean, they interact with themselves. They are excited to be here, yabo.
Mm,
Whereas before, we had players that were very much business-like. I mean, they enter the field, they do their thing, they play. If they win, they are happy, they clap, they go. Yabo.
mm,
Um, when they lose, they don't really say much.
mm,
They go one or two will be apologetic. Yabo, learn to learn.
mm,
With these ones, what they bring, you can see there's that pride, there's that excitement, there's that I want to want to be seen. There's that also you can see with Nabo themselves. They're excited of what they
yeah,
can do. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo.
yeah.
So lokho nje kukodwa I think it plays well with ama-ambitions we-team. So nje from nje besides being too technical about each player nani nani nje from a holistic perspective, yeah, ngingasho njalo ukuthi they bring a lot of excitement compared to ambition. Njengoba ngisho nje, yeah,
Yeah,
ilokho nje engingakusho.
I think yeah, nami ngizamela ukugqoka ugreen namhlanje ngoba sikhuluma ngoSuthu. I think this is a very good
Sure.
very good time to talk about the change that you made in the goalkeeping department because I felt like you guys, a lot of your unlucky moments were coming from the goalkeeping errors. So what does that
Hey,
Johnson guy bring for you guys? You've got clean sheets
uh,
now. He's made big
mm,
saves actually.
mm. Yeah, I think ezinye zezinto that a lot of people are not aware. Um, okay, they know what we have an academy, but part of the philosophy academy yethu, from academy level to first team, kahle kahle. We are a team that likes to play from the back.
Okay.
That's nje. Firstly, that's why you see a player like who always is so revered. Um, we are so eager ukuthi akhule because that's what he's been doing. Actually, always he started from under 13,
Okay.
uh, all the way to the first team. Yeah.
Mm,
So he's the embodiment of the culture, your suit. So that's the type of keeper Tina we play with. A keeper who's comfortable with his feet, who's able to distribute with both sides. So Johnson is that type, and luckily he comes from the Ajax Cape Town Academy, which also was similar, which is all you'll remember. We also once had Slim Kat as our goalkeeper coach, and he was very successful because again of that philosophy leyo engishoyo ukuthi it's part of usuthu. So I think that's exactly what it brought because I mean Yes, as much as singakhuluma from a fan perspective Ofori, I can say he's clumsy, but
Yeah,
he's still a good goalkeeper.
yeah.
Yabo. But above that, he was a total misfit for Usud.
Mm.
Besides him, besides his clumsiness, he was a misfit, or he is a misfit. I say that because Ofori is not good on his feet.
True.
We- it's not good.
True.
Yabo. We saw a very good example of how bad he is. That red card, yeah, I'm not sure if you watched the
I
game,
was
yeah,
watching the
yeah,
game.
TS Galaxy.
I was watching the game. I felt so bad
I
for
was,
Uhlangabez. I
yeah,
felt so
I was,
bad because how do you pass a
no,
player
no, I was
when there is
angry for
pressure
him.
in that space, in
Mm,
that red zone?
yeah, like, yeah,
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 it
and you will never
felt
see that from
yeah,
Johnson.
yeah, it felt like he was setting him up, but
Yeah, well,
yeah, I felt so bad
yeah,
for
yeah, yeah.
Uhlangabez.
Mm. Yeah, so above everything else, nje-ke amaphutha akhe u-Ofori nani. For me, I believe it's also. I mean, there were moments where you're like, okay, is this the same Ofori yabo loo nto? Should I bash him as hard as? I mean, but apart from that, nje, he wasn't exactly fit for the way we set out to play, yabo.
Yeah,
So Johnson was perfect for that. I remember when Johnson was playing against sorry, not I won't say Johnson, but Ichipa was playing against the Sundowns. You remember that game
yeah,
towards
yeah,
the end of
yeah,
last season?
yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure if Waiboni tweet him. I said this guy would be perfect for Usut. And
Is it?
even when he was announced, I was like, wow. Sometimes, you just throw things out to the universe and they just
Yeah,
come back to you.
yeah.
Exactly. I said it like that. This guy, because I remember he was trying to make cheaper play. Cheaper, you know them. Nobody.
Mm, mm,
Very,
mm,
very, he's West African, he's not used to
mm,
these
mm.
nigga. Akuyona into zabo kakhulu. So, yeah, so Johnson is that. And also his shot stopping, yabo. And I think also he came at a perfect time. Njengoveli, right at his prime, about at the age of 27, goalkeeper is entering his prime ngaleso sikhathi, yabo.
Yeah.
So I think he came at the right moment. I think he's a very focused guy. So I trust him. He's a family guy. So
Mm.
yeah, he takes his job very seriously. And also nenye into ke, I would be wrong if I don't mention Upostnet Hormone. I
Okay.
mean, he came in when Wendell went to Algiers.
Mm.
So I mean, you can see the improvement. I mean, always did have a few minutes after. Um, I think he came Kukun, where was it Johnson got injured, or yeah, I think so.
I can't remember.
Angisakhumbuli kahle what happened.
Mm.
Yeah, but we had a goalkeeper change. I think yeah. I think who got yes, the year Johnson got injured. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. He got a boot on the face from I think was it Ohis was still there. Yeah, I think Ohis was still there before he
Okay.
moved to it was there. So yeah, he came in. He did well, even though he conceded, but you could see it was okay. He did well, Yabo. So I would say also posted he's done well if you look at the performance.
Improvement.
Yeah, improvement,
Yeah.
improvement. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good because I mean that's where you start as a club. You need a
Mm,
goalkeeper who's going to give you that sense of confidence that okay,
yeah.
we start here and whenever we are under pressure, this guy can save us. But going to they call it it's a back five. In defense includes the goalkeeper. But I
Mm,
just want you to talk more on your defense now. When I was looking at the goals that you've scored, I saw two names from your defenders who also chip in goals, which is Keegan Allen and Phyllis.
really, yeah.
Yeah. How important is it for these guys to also chip in goals and while stopping goals, because I believe your defense is up
Mm.
there with the best in the league in this first 10 games, because you didn't
Yeah.
concede much. You conceded 9
I
goals.
think
So
9 goals. Yeah.
yeah, so there's so many teams that conceded more than you. You are top four.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, joined with
Yeah. Yeah.
Durban City in the best
Mm.
defense. So your defense is quite good. What stands out
Yeah.
for your is it the whole team? Is it just the back five or back four, or what can you say about your
I,
defense?
I think I think it starts from the front. If you look at the way yeah, our striker from Ungwenya, he's always pressing Ahmad defenders. So I think there's one thing I've always been frustrated about the past few seasons with Amazon was we always let the guy with the ball, I mean, just take his time about pick a run and. So that's the first thing I think we've been doing well for the past 10 months or so much.
Yeah,
We pressing starts from the front, really, really from the front. Also, okay, I think with the addition kick and ended, I mean, and stability. Stability, Mr. Stability nje. I
mm,
mean, with Phillies as well, I think it just worked out well. With Umthetwa as well, I think Umthetwa has grown. Umthetwa had those moments, especially last season.
mm,
He had a lot of those moments about him. But now you can see what he has grown. I mean, he was one of those also I criticized, especially playing with the ball. He was a little bit suspect on the ball, yabo. But he's also improved a lot, yabo. But I
mm,
think with the defense, I think they play with a lot of heart. I mean, between Phillies, no, 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 Lentole, no, no, no kicking. They play with a lot of heart. I mean, those guys, they never say die. You know, Cape Town guys,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
yeah, you know, Phillies they will die on the field. Yabo, no. So I think it's with the addition ka Lentuza yakhe lento le Kigen, yeah, he's managed to stabilize, and I think Phillies now has somebody he knows he can rely on or Eduze wakhe, so he can relax. You can see now Felix even goes a lot of times now we see him taking control, the ball, moving forward,
mm,
nani.
mm,
So yeah, and also I think credit to the technical team. You see, Maukulmanga ngokuthi we saw a lot of guys popping up my goal scoring charts. I mean, I think we've scored, I think about, if I can remember, about 3 or 4 goals from our set pieces.
mm,
Yabo. And on all of those were defenders were bowled. With one that we scored, we took home knockout, which was scored by a forward Umakoko. So yeah, I think nje lezo zinto lezo. I think they've worked. If we beg a team kahle kahle, you can see ukuthi they started with the defense and they moved forward na a team. So it defense, I think it's one of those departments that have carried us because njengoba ngade ngikhuluma ngegame ye-Orbit,
yeah,
we had I mean the first 5 games we had to hustle hard the second half. If you remember the game, yeah, yes, Kukune, we conceded very late. Game markets in Akon. Those were games where we had to hustle hard. Those were the games where we probably had 1 or 2 senior players at benching, and the
mm,
rest were just those teenagers who played. Yabona.
yeah,
So the defense really, really carried us those first 4 or 5 games, I would say.
yeah. Now, I'm going to go to the midfield before I go to the wing backs, because I believe they also give you quite a lot going forward. The
Yeah,
addition of
yeah,
Ukhatebe there. But I want to go to the
yeah,
midfield. There is Umbanjwa there. I've seen you post about Umbanjwa, but there's a guy that you made a profile picture. You know, I know a football fan. We don't just make players of our profile
yeah.
pictures. So just talk to
Mm.
me about about this Hlangabeza guy.
Hey, Hlangabeza, but hey. I think Hlangabeza is like who always he embodies what the philosophy also to is. The boy is just everything, hardworking, intelligent, technically he's gifted. He's got everything I want to play.
Mhm.
He's got everything nje that you would want from a midfielder edlala elisuthi. I remember Baba, he said, KwaMazulu, he said the past 2 decades or so, we've only had 3 or 4 combative midfielders. He said it was Ubafobiela, Makaola, he mentioned Uhlangabeza.
Mm.
So, I mean, that's the type of respect Umfana
Yeah.
has commanded from the elders as well.
Yeah.
I mean, he's everything. I was just having a conversation, I think, on the space. See, Shuguti, I was saying to me, he's probably the most important player because without him, the team doesn't play.
Sure.
We can talk about the resurgence car XTN. We can talk about Umakokolo in his pace up front. We can talk about how O'Keegan are hardworking and scoring goals.
Mm.
But I think if you look at the past 10 games, where we looked like there was a slump was when he was suspended.
Mm. Mm.
Yeah, well,
I
yeah,
can't I can't
that's when he
help
was
I
suspended.
can't help but think of the pass that he makes against Chipa. He makes the pass closer
Oh,
to the center line, closer to the line,
yeah,
but he makes
mm,
the pass
yeah,
behind the defensive line to that other player. I think
mm,
it was Makokolo.
yeah.
Another one
It,
to talk about. Was it Makokolo?
yeah. I think, was it Makokolo
I think
or
it
I'm
was
not
the
sure if it
one
was
that led to a
Makokolo because
penalty.
Makokolo. No.
It's not that one.
Oh yes, yeah. It's that one.
Mm,
No. It's not that one. It's the goal. That one is the goal. That was scored by Makokolo. So I'm not sure whether it was Makokolo or who was on the other end because it ended up with Makokolo
okay.
on the right hand side
Oh,
where
but
he came
pass,
in and scored. Yeah,
the the
yeah. But the pass,
the
yo,
distance, the
yeah,
weight, everything was
yeah.
perfect.
Mm. No, that boy has so much in his arsenal. You guys are still going to be amazed. You haven't even seen
Sure,
the best apart him. He
sure,
he can pack a shot as well.
sure.
He,
No,
there's a goal he scored against the Kaiser Chiefs in the DDC,
yeah,
probably from the center line.
yeah.
Jay,
I
is that
think if there is
special?
one thing that
Yeah,
stood out for me, Ngaye, besides the intelligence, it's the willingness to run.
yeah,
He is
to
willing to
tackle.
press, to track, to tackle. Like I like that.
Yeah,
Most of the time, good midfielders on the ball do not have that work ethic, and he has that.
yeah, yeah,
So you can't miss him. If you're watching the game,
yeah,
you cannot miss
yeah,
Uhlangabeza. But
yeah,
his
because
combination with Umbanjwa,
yeah. I mean, for me, Umbanjwa he's one of those underrated players with PSL for
mm,
me because I mean when he came in with PSL he came from Utongati. I had known him for years because Utongati is my most local team. I'm from the north side of Durban, so Utongati.
mm,
Tongati is the area which I'm not sure if you know King Shaka Airport.
yeah,
Um, that yeah. So Tongat is that area. I'm literally looking. If I look out the window, I see the airport. So that's Iverilem. I'm from the Iverilem side because I'm from the before the bridge. So Utongat is after the bridge.
okay,
So yeah. So Utongati was that. So I know him a lot. I know him a lot. So he was playing as number 8, and he's always been that good. He's always been that good, and he's just one of those players that you just on the ball. Yeah, bro. Kanti his pressing is also very good. Yabo.
Yeah.
So when he came through, Ucejipi made him a half wing.
Mm.
I think a lot of people revere him for his hard work, pressing, and also he had that pass in him. Yabo.
No, let me be honest. Yabona ngesikhathi sikaCichimpi, this is the time
Mm.
he was called up with Bafana Bafana, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is the time I started like watching him religiously, and I was like,
Mm.
no
Mm.
man, this player is not what I think he deserves to be in the Bafana
Mm.
squad. But now as an
Mm.
eight, I can see this guy is comfortable. He is a good player.
Yeah. Mm.
Like to your point, Uguti, they looked at the work ethic and they put him on the side so he can be able to track back
Mm.
and do all that. But he could not
Yeah.
play
Yeah.
his best football
Yeah.
that he's playing
Yeah,
this season.
he's not the type of player that will take players on, and he's
Mhm,
just, he has that pass in him. He's not afraid to get stuck in where
mm,
ball on the left.
mm.
He's comfortable in tight spaces, but he's not the type of player that can take players on. So they really, really played him out of position, but testament to how good he was. He was able to be seen by national selectors, even though he played out of position. And also, if you look at how many games he played that season, I think he played about 22 games. I'm
Mm.
not sure how many started from them, but that also from the NFD.
Yeah,
So yeah, Umbanjo has always been that guy. And Manje being played in his natural position, being around players, I think is blossoming.
yeah, he is. He is.
Oh,
I think this is the last segment of
mm,
this episode. Um,
yeah,
Once more to the people who are watching, they need to remember to subscribe if they like this kind of content and share in their platforms. But we have actually covered the almost the whole team from goalkeeper to defense to midfield. At this point, before we go to the next topic, I need you to maybe cover the offensive part of it. Maybe you can start with the wing backs, how important they've been. One that stands out for me is Ukhatebe. And if you go forward, how important have your attack been? One that stands out for me is Eckstein. The new one that I've just known is Umakokolo. And when I was looking at your goals, I need to mention this name. There is a name called Ungwenya who seems to be there. So I need you to just wrap this with your offense. While at
right,
that,
right.
while at that, Bafo, you can just give me your best player, just one player that you think is your best player for the last ten games.
All right. Okay. Yeah, in terms of fullbacks, I think he game yet. Rather wing backs. Our offensive game relies heavily on our wing backs with Khatebe he's been doing very well ever since he came through in January. The writing was on the wall with Ayu die. His lunch was being eaten.
Mm,
Yabo. So yeah, I think Uhadebe is right up there to some of the best dribblers, most completed dribbles with PSL right now, which speaks to his hard work. I mean, if you want to see the type of hard work Uhadebe is putting in, that goal against the Chip, he ran basically halfway through the field. Azofika ngale. I mean, taking on players as well, but also looking up to see who there's XD and Will and those. And also credit to the young boys, Umzobe, Nongob.
ungekadluli
For
uKhatebe,
mm,
ungekadluli uKhatebe. Yes, there's something he likes to do that makes him so hard to dispossess. Xa ephethe ibhola, he likes to put his head just in
yeah,
front
yeah,
of the
mm,
defender. So the
yeah,
defender
yeah,
is not able to pass the
mm,
body to get to the ball. So in his
mm,
dribbles, he's got that. I don't
Yeah,
know what to call stubbornness to be able to be
I
dispossessed.
think I think he uses his body strength very well.
Mm,
Yeah, yeah, and he's not a weak boy, fairly. Yeah, well,
mm,
he's a strong boy, so he's able to use his body strength very well as well. So yeah, credit to him for that. Yeah, but just to get back, the young boys who Umzobe, for me, those boys have been very key because they've been plugged in with attack, they've been plugged in with defense. They've come in and they've done well, especially Ungobo. Ungobo already, I think he has probably 2 assists with league, 1 week up as well.
mm,
He's a young boy, he's 20 years old. So I think they've also contributed a lot with attack. When we mention we attack here too, yeah, about XTN. For me, XTN shines through. Yeah, and it makes us tick going forward. It's him or Atini on the side with the speed. Um, yeah, basically, Atini has made us forget about who humans.
mm.
With the way he's coming, with his energy, trickery, and also
Quick,
I think he's very
quick.
quick. He's
Yeah.
very, very quick, that boy. Yeah,
Mm,
and also I think his goal scoring instincts are much better. I
mm,
think he's the type of boy who tends to find himself in very good scoring opportunities quite a lot.
mm, mm.
So I think sometimes that's one element that was always missing. Human, I've always felt he was more of a creative player. Can't do for me. Atin is a proper 10 for me. He
Can
can
score,
score. He can
can
create.
assist. Mm,
Yeah. For
mm,
me. So yeah, and also the fact that he started late because there were some issues with his clearance from his previous club, so he wasn't there in the thing in the first 4 or 5 games. He wasn't there.
mm,
He's only played I think the last 6 games or so.
mm.
Yeah, I think he came as a substitute in 2 games. I even tweeted, I was like, nah, this guy, he must just start. Yeah, because of the way he
No,
came in. I think
exactly.
he came in the game against the Chiefs. I think that was his second game, if not third,
Mm.
against the Chiefs. He came in, and also players like Obayanda. I know they've played
Tabet.
some minutes, but yeah. I mean, with those minutes, you can see there's something there. There's something. And actually, against the Chiefs, I felt like he came in, he really did well. He made a defender think about about Ndole. So he's also another dimension.
Yeah.
Um, yeah. So Ungwenya is just for me, Ungwenya. I mean, there's this thing that people usually they used to troll us with in Amazon. You guys don't know what talent is. You will have talent and just let it go like that. And Udion was one of those people early season. They're like, Udion, Eros, nicabangani. Wesiphathi uya kwi-Arrows
Mm.
nizowubona kahle. And honestly, futhi uyambona, he's happy.
Top goal
But
scorer currently. Yeah.
yeah. But for me, I'm not envious at all. I'm actually happy because Udion was one of those players who respected the brand, who respected the fans. Yabona leyo nto. So from a human perspective, I'm very happy for him. But the truth of the matter is that Udion was with the new coaching staff that came in, they were looking at more offense that is based on speed, transition football. He just slowly, just gradually fell out of favor.
Mm.
We could all see it. Trust me, Dion was one of the most loved players who should. But people could see, it's not working out. So he
Mm.
went on loan. People were just still hoping that he might come back, nah. So when Ungwenya came in, he just started firing like that. I think at some point he scored like 4 goals in a row
Mm.
in our away matches. So unfortunately, he's currently injured. But yeah, I think he's a young boy with a lot of promise, and also I think he comes with a bit of experience. He's already played a few caps with his Zimbabwe as well. So I think, yeah, I think he's a boy that's gonna give us at least. I'm expecting at least 10, 10 goals really from him. I think he's gonna play a big part. We Lentos. We see Zinez going forward. Yeah. So just to talk about who has been, for me personally, my most outstanding player will have to be Uhlangabeza. No one, you know, if you look at, we felt his presence when he wasn't there. I mean, the elder man who extend, obviously, see, I mean, he's the cherry on top.
Yeah.
But for me, the guy who pulls the orchestra, who does all the hard work for the team. Ngihlezi ngicabanga intwana ngisho ukuthi eyi yabona I hope umama ekhaya usuke batshele usisi ukuthi yeyi hlelani yonke into ubhuti afika lala aphumule because really ngeze ngimbuza wena
Yasebenza
like ndoda
umfana.
uyithathaphi le energy engaka ndoda uyithathaphi yabo. So for me he's been the most outstanding for me so far. With to extend obviously being right there, and also with to Ellen not being very far.
Okay, yeah, last one. Songitshelile ukuthi best player yakho uhlangabeza, and you have given us some meat ukuthi why ucabanga ukuthi uhlangabeza. I think manje kumele sivale yabona.
Yeah, yeah,
Kumele sivale, sizophinde sikhulume futhi after 10 games, but in closing you need to tell us what you expect in the next 10 games. Siyazi ukuthi kusasa already sodlala nePolokwane City.
yeah. No, mangibheka nje, because bengiyibreaka down i-season ngama 5 games. The first 5 games we and the next five we got 10.
Okay, I
So
think we lost you with the first 5 games. You did what?
we got eight points, sorry.
Okay,
8 points the
okay.
first 5 games. Then the second five we got 10 points. So
Hmm.
that on its own tells you we consistent.
Progress.
Yeah, progress.
Mm.
Firstly, we were able to improve with 2 points. So Mangpega, and if you look at that, in that stretch, we had the Sundowns and we had the Kaizer Chiefs, and we also had the Steelers.
Mm.
The three
Nashayi
teams.
Stelis.
Yabo is a shy after
Mm.
yabo after I think years
Mm.
it's not shy yabo le nto. So out of those nje 3 games already, a lot of people will have written us off ukuthi la ngeke sibuye nama-points. And if you look at the Sundowns, we could have gotten something out of Sundowns. We
Mm.
can only beat our and Chiefs game. Yeah, we were able to walk away with a point in spite of also injuries and suspensions at the. Also, I think the most important thing has been the home record yet so far, and I expect us to continue doing well at home. We have all on the. So yeah. So the next 10 games, I to have anything between 10 and 12 points.
10
Yeah,
games.
yeah. Sorry, so it's in the next
5 games.
5 games. Sorry,
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
sorry. Yeah,
okay,
in the next 5 games. Sorry, I meant yeah, because
okay.
I just looked at the stretch in the next 5 games. I think Cine Derby, which for me is the most serious.
Le match here, Richards Bay.
Yeah, on Friday
Mm.
night
Mm.
in Richards Bay. Yeah, it should be, and I know the guys are fired up for that game. I know they are fired up for that game.
Should be a good one to
Uh,
watch.
yeah, and we're not gonna, we don't want people to mess up with our record. Like Ezren Yaziwa, we're unbeaten.
Shinganina lapho.
And the last time we were beaten like Ezren, I think it was the end of the 22-23 season.
Yeah. Yeah, no,
Where
I
it was
think the network seyithanda ukusihlupha nyana. I think this
mm,
is the perfect time to say thank you, Bafoman. I took a lot of your
mm.
time.
Yeah, no,
Thank you for your
fine, but it's
time.
fine.
Thank you for the
Mm,
amount I mean content and substance that
mm,
you've given to the show. I think I cannot wait for the next 10 games to
mm.
have these kind of chats. And yeah, man, wishing you and Amazulu all the best. And
Aye.
yeah, if you have any parting shots, though, you can.
Mm.
This is your time. But
Yeah,
from my
no,
side, it's thank you, man.
mm. No, also it's a privilege, but for to get an invite from you. Um, a window that loves football, a window that respects football, and also you window yabantu nje, you're full of respect. So big ups, and also it's an honor but to involved on today. So it's been an honor, and yeah, we can talk football though. It is
Absolutely,
kusasa yabo
absolutely. No, but for I,
team.
asike
Yabo.
siyabonga, siyabonga. Hey, isikhala nange-network, isikhala nange-network.
Yeah,
Siyabonga kakhulu
yabo.
bafo. But siyohlangana ku-X manje. Please, to the people who are watching, follow this guy. He loves Amazulu. He loves football. Um, he's there on X. I think he's there on. I'm going to include details zakhe when I edit this video. Please follow him and engage him. And yeah, man, thanks, man. Cheers, eh?
Thanks a lot.
Cheers.